be learning about completing the square. Completing the square is basically trying to get an equation that's in standard form into vertex form. To get that, there are some steps that we need to follow to get the vertex. And the first step is to get the like terms together. So we're going to group the x squared and the x terms together. So it's going to be x squared plus 2x, single brackets, plus 8. So since we have got grouped them into factored form, we're going to complete the square inside the bracket. To complete the square, all you have to do is divide this by 2 and times it by whatever the number is. So 2 divided by 2 is going to be 1, and when you do 1 and square root it, it's going to still be 1. So be 1 minus 1, so to add a positive 1 and a negative 1, you're going to close the bracket and get the 8. To get this into a perfect square trinomial, you're just going to close your brackets, and here we go, a perfect square trinomial. So to make it more simplified, it's going to be squared, because we can't add the plus because the 1x squared would give us the positive 1 and the negative 1. And when we drop the brackets with the negative 1 and the x squared, because there's 2 brackets here, you're going to have to multiply the negative 1 by the coefficient in front. So negative 1 times 1 is going to be still negative 1 and then plus 8. So negative 1 plus 8 is going to be positive 7. And here we go. We have completed the square. So the vertex is going to be negative 1 because it's a positive. So when it's positive, it's always going to be automatically converted to negative, and 7. So this is how you complete the square. To go over it, all you're going to do is you're going to first group the x squared and the x terms together. You're going to complete the square inside the brackets and the reason how we got positive 1 and negative 1, you're going to do 2 divided by 2 and then square that number. And here we got in positive 1 and negative 1. And we've closed the brackets to make it into a perfect square trinomial, because we need to make it into in a perfect square trinomial because we have to convert it into the square bracket into one binomial. And when we drop the brackets for the negative 1 and the x squared, you're going to have to do negative 1 times the coefficient in front of the x squared, like the outside the bracket x squared, which is just 1. So negative 1 times 1 is going to be still negative 1. And you're going to have to add it by this number. So negative 1 plus 8. And negative 1 plus 8 is 7. So this is the equation into vertex form. So the vertex is negative 1 and 7.